This is the right side of your ear, yeah, the right side of the ear. And if we start from the part of the external ear, this is the ear pinna. Yeah. So probably the important parts of the auricle. Yeah. And you have the lobule. Yeah. Then you have the tragus. You have the antitragus, and then you have the helix. And then you have the antihelix. You have a fossa, and then you have the concha. Yeah. All right. Okay. So that is the auricle, and then the external auditory meatus. You can see that it is lined by elastic cartilage on its wall, on the lateral two-third, and this is the external auditory meatus. Probably this is part of the isthmus, the narrowest part of the external auditory meatus. And then starting from here, you can see that the wall of the external auditory meatus is lined by bony structures. The medial one third, the medial one third of medial, medial two third of the medial two third of the external auditory meatus. Okay, lateral one third is cartilaginous and medial two third is bony. Okay, and then we arrive at the tympanic membrane. So this is the tympanic membrane. So it's supposed to have like a concave appearance from the outside and convex appearance from the inside. And then we have the middle ear cavity that you can see the eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear cavity right to the nasopharynx. If I can show you this part as well here. Okay. Right. So this is the torus tubarius, and this is the opening of the eustachian tube in the nasopharynx. Nasopharynx. Okay. Okay. Next, you have the tensor tympani muscle. Tensor tympani muscle. Okay. And then I have the location. The location of the ear. The middle ear, the internal ear. They are located inside the pitreous part of the temporal bone. Where the pitreous part of the temporal bone. So actually, I can open up this the roof of the middle ear cavity. Okay, and that will expose the structures in the middle ear cavity as well as the inner ear. The inner ear. Okay, right. So okay. So you know that you have the ear ossicles in the middle ear cavity, which is not model, but we can see the structures that are located in the inner ear. All right. So you have the cochlea. This is the cochlea. This is the semicircular canal. So the gray structures here try to show you the membranous labyrinth. So the whitish structure is the bony labyrinth. The bony labyrinth, and inside the bony labyrinth, you have the membranous labyrinth. Okay, so you have the superior semicircular canal, you have the lateral semicircular canal, and then you have the posterior one at the back, and inside each of the canals, the semicircular duct, with respective name. Okay, in this model also you can see the facial nerve that is present there. This is one of the genu of the facial nerve before it enters into the middle ear. So this is facial nerve, and you can see the facial nerve together with the vestibulocochlear nerve. They exit or pass through the internal auditory meatus. Internal auditory meatus. Okay. Okay, so this is just okay. Probably I'll turn around this model and let's see what we can see from behind. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the posterior view looking from behind. Yeah. Um, this is the posterior semicircular canal. Posterior semicircular canal. Okay, this is the superior, and then we have the lateral on that side. Okay, this is the facial nerve. Okay, facial nerve. Then you have the cochlear nerve together with the vestibular nerve. Okay, together they form the vestibulocochlear nerve, and together with the facial nerve, they pass through the internal auditory meatus. Internal auditory meatus. Also, in this model, you can see the groove for the sigmoid sinus, yeah, which is present on that part here. Yeah? The groove for sigmoid sinus, uh, at which at the most inferior point, this is where it just before it exits, yeah, exits the jugular foramen. Yeah, this is where it forms the superior part of the internal jugular vein and later continues at the internal jugular vein. Yeah. So uh, that is where you have the part of the vein, yeah, that is related to the the inferior wall or the floor of the middle ear cavity, yeah, which is not shown here, the internal jugular, yeah, but you can see that the middle part of the sinus. And then you can see part of the internal carotid artery, yeah, internal carotid artery, part of the internal carotid artery. Yeah. Okay, and you can see the mastoid antrum, yeah, mastoid antrum, the mastoid antrum. So this is the part uh, which communicate with the middle ear cavity, yeah, from the posterior part, yeah, to the mastoid antrum, posterior wall of the middle ear cavity to get into the mastoid air cell. Yeah. So this is why, yeah, sometimes in a case of otitis media, for example, suppurative otitis media, when you have a chronic infection of the middle ear cavity, you have a lot of pus, which can spread into the mastoid air cells, and then further complication, you can develop mastoiditis, for example, or mastoid abscess, because of the spread of infection into the mastoid air cells, because of that communication. Okay. Okay. I think pretty much that are all the structures that I can show you, just from these two models. For other detailed structures, probably it's good for you or better for you to refer to Atlas of Anatomy. Yeah. So even from this model, I think yeah, we cannot see all the detailed structures. The detailed structures. Okay, so that is all my part, yeah, for the demonstration of the ear model.